Hey guys, it's Techless here, just making a quick video on my custom built PC. Alright guys, so here's my custom built PC. I built this not too long ago. It started off slowly with just the motherboard and it had everything in it, and then I slowly added to it. I put a new case, an SSD, new graphics card, new cooling system. So let's take the side panel off and show you guys what it looks like. Man, if I can. So right here, this guy just slips right off. I bought this case for like 40 bucks on Amazon, I think. Really good. Deepcool teserect. It's pretty cheap and it's really nice. On the inside I have a Corsair H60 water cooler, and you can see that it has the two tubes, just looping cooling system, 16 gigs of Ripjaw RAM. This has a Blu-ray DVD drive inside of it, a Kingston 120 gigabyte SSD for my OS, and a Western Digital HDD for storing games. I think that's just 320 gigabyte. 450 watt antec power supply with EVGA GeoForce GTX 970 superclocked. The motherboard is an asus sabertooth 990FX. I also have two cooling fans. Those are Corsair silent cooling fans, blue LEDs. Then the one fan in the back, and the power supply and on the graphics card, obviously. Then there's a blue LED fan in the front, and then one on the side panel. Now, I like to have good cooling because my computer gets pretty hot after overclocking, because I have an AMD 8120 8-core processor in here. Graphics are pretty good. I run my games at ultra for the most part. Frames usually dip under 60 a little bit. For the most part, it stays pretty good. I have my processor, I don't know how much I overclocked it, but I did overclock it with a program that it came with. Let's see here. And then I overclocked my GPU using GPU tweak made by Asus. But yeah, that's just my PC build, so I thought I'd show you guys how what I got going. So there you guys go. That's Techless. Just like, comment, subscribe.